The controversial war veteran and ZANU-PF Central Committee member Blessed Geza has refuted rumors that he has been arrested or gone into hiding. Sanapena mashuko arikuda panapa mupindula achinzi aiwa mukomana arageza panguva inoi oramba mashuko ekuti aiwa arestewa kana kuti aiwa ari kuvanda panguva inoi. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell kuti tipinda panapa mupindula nazuva ranhasi anoposta vachiti Geza declared that war veterans are prepared to drive change in the country. It announced that you soon hold a press conference to hold further clarification. He said, "We are ready to bring change and no amount of threats and lies will derail the struggle. The signal is coming." Geza gained public attention several weeks ago when he openly criticized ZANU-PF's proposed constitutional amendment that would allow President Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond 2028 after his second and final term ends. Geza and his supporters have not only opposed the prospect of the third term, but he have also demanded the president's immediate resignation, accusing him of incompetence, corruption, nepotism, and cronyism. However, Geza's outspoken stance has drawn the ire of the state. The Zimbabwe Public Police has filed criminal charges against him. Last Wednesday, the therapy spokesperson Commissioner Ponyati issued a statement saying that Geza was wanted for questioning in connection with the 4 separate criminal charges. Geza faces allegations of theft under Section 113 of Criminal Law, Codification and Reform Act, Chapter 323, related to the alleged theft and sale of 3 vehicles belonging to a complainant without consent. Ndo mashuko anobudzwa panapa aiwa nevakomana maofficers mapurisa vachimuti aiwa panguva inoi kunyange zvake achiti haazi unto hiding. Panguva inoi panobuda mashuko achinzi aiwa ane mhosva dzaari kupomedzerwa achinzi aiwa dzanofanira kuuya achizopresenta pamberi pemapurisa. Tudze mafundo emo tikudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.